Kuno para ngakusting alini satin care, but inya Tiana satin care. Pangide masalong but Ireland. Pangide sipara. Mitas ni kentian pangin ang day min hakato. What? Okay, that particular occasion. Mintas ni kentian jonga day min hakato. Sentence jonga day min hakato kasni ngalit shalom. Lom mot mountain.
To ang da parang padakin kamot yung ka sentence siyang fi.
Min hakato is that particular occasion. And that means on that particular occasion we went to the mountains.
Very good. Itiana pada kakantian siyang fi di ki ay?
Kakantin jonga day mukma. Ito means quickly and roughly. Ngan ayafi sentence. Nga baparlok niyat mukma. Ito day pareng. Me and my friends walk quickly and roughly. Triple shibon, but snap yangi. 3, 2, 1, go! Kinale pasma basting, pamshana kulay. Pankado babam bating, labam lut kaknay.
Well done.
Wow!
Okay, mentangan kelishwa ya i. Mentangan kelishwa ya i Eleni. Kena arit basmat basting bam shana kulay kamot ayu?
Kena small children that are hyper and excited like that.
Active, right?
Yeah, that are active. Eat yellow grams.
Very good. And Itiana pada pankaro babang bating la bam lut kaknay mot ayu?
Sweet potato that is like really sweet and tasty. Lovely. The mouse with T a turtle.
Very good.
The mouse is what? T a turtle.
Okay,
Shaka kulay.
Tafek.
Bye. Bye.